Hey, what's up, and thanks for clicking in. My name is Jason, and in this video, I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. Starting today, I'm going to be investing $1 into Tesla stock every day. I'm also going to be investing $1 into Bitcoin every day. Now, you might be asking, what's the purpose of this? And for me, it's two reasons. One, just want to have a little fun and invest some money. And two, we're going to do an experiment in dollar cost averaging. And dollar cost averaging is basically taking a larger investment and breaking it up into smaller investments that you disperse over a period of time. And the reason for this is we know that the stock market is volatile. We know that the crypto market is more volatile. So breaking up these investments, you kind of buy at the lows and the highs, and it averages out. So if you have a good company like Tesla, or you have a good product like Bitcoin, it should overall go up in the end. So buying at the high or the low shouldn't really matter, and you should just get a steady return. So we're going to see what that return looks like for each of these investments. And I hope you join me along this journey. If you're interested, please consider subscribing below. If you like this video, just like this video, please. If you're interested, you have any questions, just comment below. I'm going to be using the Robinhood app. So we're going to jump into my phone. You're going to see exactly what that looks like. And let's get started, guys. All right, so now we're inside the Robinhood app, and this is my account here. The reason I've chosen Robinhood is because they allow for fractional shares investing, meaning that I can buy any amount of a cryptocurrency or any amount of a stock, regardless of the cost of that. So right now, Tesla is trading at $1,500, but I can just buy $1 worth of that. So that's why I've chosen Robinhood. We're inside my account right now. I did make the Tesla investment earlier because I am recording this at 9:30 at night. So obviously the market is closed. And now I'm going to go ahead here and invest $1 in Bitcoin. So go here to the buy screen of Bitcoin, enter the amount, $1, and then all you do is swipe up to submit. Cool. And now it's done. Go back to the main page here. So now you can see my investing. I initially put in $50, which is a huge amount, and now I'm at $49.93. Tesla's had a weird day where it's been up and down, so I kind of got in at a bad time, I guess, on Tesla, so that's the minus 7 cents. That's it. So we've invested $1 in Tesla, $1 in Bitcoin, and gonna do this every single day. Obviously, the Tesla market only open Monday through Friday, specific times, and I'm going to do 7 days a week on the Bitcoin investing. So hope you enjoy this, and that's it. All right, day one is in the books. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm not going to make one every day because I think that would be really boring and my wife would probably divorce me. But if you have enjoyed this and you do want to follow along, please subscribe below. If you want to invest along with me, I'm going to leave a link below to the Robinhood app. You can sign up there, get a free stock, and do the same thing I'm doing. Until next time, be safe.